don't need a motor, we don't need a sail.
So we just got up here and we are packing up all of our stuff into the canoes. And it's about 45 degrees right now. Good chance of rain. Cloudy. So are you, Jess, are you ready to go? Rod? In the water. Ready to go.
I wanna float down the river with you.
There's Josie. Levi.
Keep it simple, unplugged and outside. Sound waves on the water don't need to be amplified.
So we're just coming up on our first portage. We are currently on Sawbill Lake and we're gonna portage over to Alton Lake. Yeah, so it's not too far. I think it's just like, I don't know, 500 feet. But yeah, say hi, Brad.
Hi.
Time to portage. So we just got done portaging. How do you guys think it went? Levi found some snow.
Good. It was good.
Super nice. Yeah,
It was heavy.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah, Trav and Rachel actually had a really light canoe, and me and Brad have like a really, really heavy canoe. But yeah, that's how far we get to portage. And it's super.
You can kind of see the lake.
That is, and now this is our view.
Going to
So,
Alton Lake.
yep, on to the next adventure.
Boat built for two. Can you canoe? I'll be a captain and your crew.
We may have found a first campsite. Levi and Jess are scoping it out. Trav's over there swatting bugs and fishing. Yep. Yep, this is true.
I wanna float down the river. I wanna float down the river.
It's so peaceful out here, and it just stopped. It's been drizzling since pretty much we got here. It just kind of stopped, so it's kind of nice. Just pulled out here to our potential campsite. Levi went off to see if there was a better one nearby. You can see up here is where like the fire slash stove, fire pit, where we could do cooking and whatnot, and some different stuff. And there is a latrine somewhere, but I haven't gotten looked for it or anything yet. Well, we got our tent all set up. Levi and Jess are over there setting up theirs. Trav and Rach have theirs set up. So that option that I told you earlier, that was option A. There's Levi. That's the site we decided to go with. You trying out, is this a new tent?
We used it on our last trip.
Oh, you did? It's one of those hiking pole tents. There's that. Rachel, you in your tent?
Yeah, I'm just getting my shoes back on.
Are good to go.
Weather chamber tested rain.
Camping trip. I'm bringing water, toothbrush, tent, canoe, raincoat, life jacket, leeches, galoshes,
I got my own with that.
fishing pole, lasagna, beer, Rapala, and a swimsuit.
Going on a camping trip, and I'm bringing water, toothbrush, tent, canoe, a raincoat, a life jacket, leeches, galoshes, a fishing pole, lasagna, beer, a Rapala. What did you say?
Oh, I don't
Me,
know.
it's always the last
I know.
one.
Yeah.
Said something.
Said something.
A swimsuit and chair. Eat 2 brats apiece though first.
Jesse, what do you got?
Fireball. Hatch. Little nip. Little
You
nip.
really like that, don't you?
What the hell is that from?
I think it's just something we
I
say.
remember you and Lee would always say it at the wedding.
Oh.
A little chilly out here, so we're gonna warm ourselves up with some Fireball.
Here you go. You want to start it, Tiffany?
I don't know. You don't care for Fireball, do you? Not really. Maybe it'll warm me up though. Take a little sip ski. Get it, girl. Who's next?
That smells nice.
It does.
Did you actually get some out of it?
Yeah, barely. It's like a tiny little swing.
What?
Tiny little swing. Doesn't come out very good.
A little tasty taste. Yeah, it doesn't come out very good. Ooh, it does smell good. Cheers.
Here's to camping!
Woo! Hey, check out my assless chaps.
Will be mine.
I've got my cell phone, iPod, and satellite laptop, titanium spoon.
What are we cooking, guys? Wieners!
Brats. Cheddar brats and salmon brats.
Fun. We'll eat a ketchup packet. Good stuff. Good morning. We have made breakfast. What's everybody having?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Biscuits and gravy and some Colombian coffee.
Some gravy. Yeah. I'm having a peanut butter roll up. Oh. That was a sneeze. How'd everyone sleep?
Good.
Good. Yeah. Still 45 degrees, poured for a little bit. But yeah. On to day 2.
It's day 2 and we're out, ready to do some fishing. Our campsite is actually pretty much right back on that island peninsula thing. And we are just gonna fish, just stay in here, and hopefully catch some big ones so we can have fish for dinner.
Send me in my way. Send me in my way. Send me in my way. Send me on my way. Send me in my way. Send me in my way. Send me on my way.
There's Jessie. She's pulling up her anchor. Rachel's there. Levi way back there. How's the fishing, Brad?
Great.
We haven't caught anything but snakes. It's really nice when the sun peeks out. Lots of birds.
I would like to hold my little one. Honey, well, honey, well,
What happened, guys? Well, I got off the canoe to go pee. Came back to get back in, and I got back in, and then we were stuck on top of a rock. We couldn't move. So I tried to readjust, and well, then I tried to get back in the canoe, and we tipped it. It's about 45 degrees. Water's a little chilly.
And there's Nat. right, Brad, how was your swim?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, me and Brad took a tumble in the canoe and we flipped her. And now we're back at the campsite having some lunch. What's everybody having? Proud of you. What you making? What him and Rach are having. And I was thinking about trying out the cashews that got a little waterlogged on our canoe tip at the stove, but we'll see. I don't know. But otherwise, we're doing good. We had enough dry clothes, so otherwise, we do have a pretty nice little clothesline going on over there. What are you playing?
Fire's nice. Sixes in a 2.
There's 5 dice in here.
Yeah, I know. What'd you keep? 1 6?
Reach out my hand. Oh, Messiah. Oh, Messiah.
What? 3 6s and a 2?
Means you didn't. That's why you asked.
Nobody say, nobody
3 6s and a 5.
No.
Did I ask you
Yes,
for that
you
last
asked.
time?
We are currently doing a different kind of fishing.
Rach, do you have a 7?
Go fish.
Such a mighty one.
Grab you an 8. Jess, do you have a 4?
Go fish.
When it's over, so let's say.
Look at these two. I asked them what they were doing and they said they're getting wood. There's good wood over here. They're basically beaching it for some firewood. What'd you guys do?
Start turning to firewood. Got some firewood for us tonight.
No one's gonna be cold tonight.
What you making, baby?
Some chili mac with beef. We're just waiting for this water to boil, and it's getting close. I think Trav and Rach are having the same thing in a little bit.
Making a fire.
Wait,
How is it, you guys?
good.
Sauce was good, yeah.
Tastes like dried dog food.
Chili mac.
We packed some of Bailey's.
What are we doing up there, Jesse?
Drying Brad's shirt.
Yeah, I'm drying my leggings. You guys getting ready to cook? What are you cooking? What are you cooking?
Dry dog food.
That's what they said it looks like, but they dehydrated their own food. And it's goulash, yeah. Nice fire going. Drying out me and Brad's shoes. Hopefully, maybe someday.
Macarena?
It's like the chocolate roll that you
Tootsie Roll.
but not at all. I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay, yellow flower.
Dandelion. Sunflower.
The twist was the other one.
Oh.
This dictates how fast you can go on the road.
Speed limit.
Oh, another word for bike when you like are going.
Biking.
No.
Pedaling.
No. Never mind. Oh, he's a black basketball player.
Michael Jordan.
Yes.
How is that? Just had one of these for Rachel over Mother's Day weekend. For a wedding, they had one for.
Now, starting to get settled in. It's probably about 8 o'clock. And hanging out by the fire. And we'll be crawling into bed soon.
Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the
field where the creek turns back by the old stone road.
All right, it's the morning of day 3. We're having breakfast. Trav, what'd you have?
I had apple and cinnamon oatmeal.
Yep. Rachel's having some oatmeal. Brad?
Oatmeal.
Jesse, what'd you have?
I had apples with oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
And
You guys about to make oatmeal?
And I'm the weirdo that had peanut butter wraps. But
They were good. Yeah. And today's supposed to be the nicest day. It's already like sort of blue skies. And we're gonna go do some fishing and hopefully not get some. And that right there is Levi. And then we have Jesse over there. And Trav and Rach are up there a little ways. But we are just heading to the north end of, what's the name of this lake again?
Alton.
Of Alton Lake. And we talked about portaging over to Sawbill. So we haven't had any luck fishing here, but we'll see what the day brings.
Baby, get ready.
We're out here on the USS Mitchie Craft. And we're going to North Alton Lake. Good old voyage, going strong. Fishing is weak. Jess, what do you got there? Jesse caught the first fish. Decent one too. You want me to try and get a picture? Nice catch.
Looks like you're getting your rod down there.
Down by the river and down by the light, we'll be falling in love and we're falling in love.
It is sometime in the afternoon and we are having some lunch. Brad, what are you having?
Jerky.
And I am having a Cliff Bar. It's pretty tasty. Jesse just caught a fish. No one else has really caught anything. Trav and Rach over there. Jesse and Levi over there. We got some other people on the lake too canoeing. But it's fun! Adventures! And spot a turtle. A little bit of nature. It's a little painted turtle.
Yeah, Levi, that water.
So calm out here.
Hear the water rapids, white rapids ahead.
So
Calm before
nice.
the storm.
Do it.
I don't think so.
Once.
I'd like to live longer than today. Yeah. USS Mitchie Craft going strong. Yeah. Alright, so we are currently portaging. I apologize for the shaky video, but
We're almost there.
we are going strong,
Hauling the barge.
hauling the canoes. Yeah.
Better make it clear. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer. Just as long as there's a can left in.
Look what finally came out to say hi. It's the sun. It's amazing. Feels so much nicer out here, doesn't it, Brad? Really
does. Makes a huge difference. But it's so pretty out here.
This is portage. We got it! Coming in hot!
It's all you, Ray.
What?
Good luck.
Well, we made it back. Now we're all just starting to cook some dinner. And what are we all having?
Chicken noodle casserole.
Brad, what are we having?
Beef stroganoff with noodles.
Yes. Jess?
Beef parmesan.
Parmesan pasta with hamburger in it.
Nice. Yum. Tasty.
Drank all the beer.
Levi. Got a bunch of wood. Me and Jess got a good fire started.
Levi, is our fire still getting better?
Yeah, it's going. It's good.
We didn't even use fire starter. Just the birch.
It's too short.
This is what the boys decided to do on the last day.
Gotta leave the next people some good moments.
You know,
Yeah.
me and Tiffany already had ours
Yeah, we
done.
got some pre-made whittled sticks.
We weren't about to whittle nothing.
No.
These guys are doing it because it sounded like fun.
Hey, you're making some nice little firewood birch stuff there.
Yeah, let's burn it.
Oh, that's for the next people.
All right, we have the beginning of day 4. And what do you know? We got rain again. But we're all just clearing out camp, cooking a little breakfast. And it did rain a lot of last night, but all of last night, yeah. So, yeah, we're just cleaning up camp and getting ready to get back on the water to home. We are just about to portage over to Sawbill, and it's our last day. It's kind of just drizzling now, which is kind of nice. Jess and Levi back there a little ways. There's Brad. But, yeah, quite the adventure here in the Boundary Waters. So, how did everybody feel about this trip? Good. Wish there was more fish. Rach, would you do it again? Yeah. Good? Yeah.
Yeah, if the weather was better, I think it would be more enjoyable.
It's pretty rainy,
But it
chilly.
wasn't.
We don't need no outlet.
The fishing was a little rough.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Otherwise, we did it.
There'll be lightning, bugs, and fires. Let's just keep it simple, unplugged and outside. Sound waves on the water don't need to be amplified. Can you canoe on a